Let me now recognize Blunt Sochi Zingwangwa. Chana, you have the floor.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for granting the people of Sochi Zingwangwa the chance to respond to the SONA. Firstly, let me congratulate the State President, His Excellency, Professor Atayakhula Mutharika, for delivering a short, brief, but straight to the point, effective SONA. Mr. Speaker, sir, I took time to go to my constituency to engage on what they understand with regards to the SONA, and in that process, I started asking myself questions. I started reflecting on issues that were coming out. So my response would be brief, but it would be guided by the interactions that I had with my constituency. Mr. Speaker, sir, just a brief background. We all know 1960 is referred to as the year of Africa. After 1960, a lot of African countries started gaining independence. 1964, Malawi and a few other countries around that period, Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, they also got Zambia, they also got their independence around that period. Fast forward, Mr. Speaker, sir, we attained our democracy in 1994. Since 1964 till now, we are still regarded as a poor country. And if you go to categories, IMF, World Bank, Malawi is constantly referred to as one of the poor countries, and they put us in categories of countries such as Somalia, Sudan, Yemen, Central African Republic. If you look at all these countries, most of them have had war, but Malawi, we've always had peace. We've never experienced any civil war or any war with our neighboring countries. Then I started asking myself, what is wrong with Malawi? What is wrong with Malawi? There are so many factors, but something was clear in my interactions. Almost, it's safe to say 60 to 70 or 80% of our population are young people, Mr. Speaker, sir. This is human beings 35 years and below. 35 years, we're using the African Charter. The African Charter defines the youth as anyone 35 years and below. And in this category, we put single mothers, married, male, female, rural and urban. 60 to 80% of our population fall in this category. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is sad to note that this group is neglected and has been neglected all along. So as I was looking at the map of Malawi and seeing that 60 to 80% are in this category, I saw two things. One, I saw a ticking bomb. A ticking bomb in the sense that if we do not address, if we do not pay attention, if we do not have deliberate policies and laws that look at this ticking bomb, then the future might be hard for Malawi. Mr. Speaker, sir, even governing will be a challenge. On the flip side, Mr. Speaker, sir, I also saw this as an arsenal of opportunities, an arsenal of ideas that could propel Malawi. So in my response and in interaction within the parameters of the SONA, this stuck to me. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'll give you an example of a young person. Most of the youth in this category, when they have an idea or a business idea, These ideas and businesses, they are dead upon arrival. You give a young person 5 million kwacha in Malawi now, next year they'll be broke. You give a woman 2 million or 1 million kwacha now, next year they'll be begging. Why? If you go to Zambia, Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, women, youth, they are succeeding in business. But here, no one seems to be succeeding in business. I walk around my constituency just to see, just to bump into a young person who is succeeding in business. But it is rare. Our ideas, businesses are dead upon arrival. Why, Mr. Speaker, sir? As I was going further in my reflection, I came across one factor that stands out clear, and it matters the most with our house because we've got the powers to do something. Our laws and policies. We've got too much taxes, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'll give you an example. A young person went to South Africa to buy speakers. He's in the entertainment industry. The speakers were costing him 9.6 million. And then he came on the border, he paid almost 5-point-something million. VAT, excise, and what have you. Taxes. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is something we can do, we can work on as a house and as leaders. I repeat, businesses and ideas of this category, they are dead upon arrival. Mr. Speaker, sir, if you were to Google on your phone, any member, go on ChatGPT or Google, and then you Google how much does a business need to make or earn for them to pay taxes, for instance, in Nigeria, in Zambia, in South Africa. In Nigeria, for a business to start paying taxes, they need to start earning $75,000 and above. In South Africa, SMEs, any business that is earning 1 million rands below, it is categorized and considered as an SME, and these businesses are all exempted from taxes. Mr. Speaker, sir, the President stresses on two groups that can transform this country, and it is women and the youth. And all these young people and women, they've got ideas, yes, but the environment is not enabling. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I am suggesting that for us to achieve the philosophy, the vision in the SONA and beyond, as a house, we must reflect on our tax laws. We must categorize businesses in this country. Young people and women who are doing businesses, for instance, that are 100 million and below, they should be exempted from certain taxes. It is unfair for a woman who goes to Zambia with 5 million kwacha and then they come on the border, they're taxed. And you know our economic situation now. We've got forex issues that were inherited from the previous administration. We're struggling with. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would suggest we should make sure we analyze our tax laws and policies, and we should have deliberate efforts that target this category. Mr. Speaker, sir, on 100 million, the President in his speech, State of Nation Address, he emphasized on the 100 million kwacha for young people, 100 million kwacha for youth. Then, as I was engaging in my constituency, I started imagining, Mr. Speaker, sir, if I had 100 million kwacha cash right here, right now, how will I distribute it? How will I use the 100 million kwacha to be effective in my constituency? Mr. Speaker, sir, simple mathematics. If I am to give 10 million kwacha 10 million kwacha each to young people and women who want businesses in my constituency. With 100 million kwacha, it means I'm reaching out to 10 young people and 10 women. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, as much as this is an excellent starting point, I think moving forward as a House, we must also consider lobbying. This amount should be increasing as we go. This amount should be increasing as we go, because I know, as I speak for my constituency, this amount, it does not reach out to as much young people and women as possible, as needed. More especially in the urban areas, Mr. Speaker, sir. So this is an excellent idea, but we should lobby for more. Mr. Speaker, sir, lastly, monetization. Mr. Speaker, sir, a lot of young people are on TikTok, a lot of young people are on Facebook, WhatsApp, a lot of young people are on Instagram, and a lot of young people that are using YouTube. In other countries, Mr. Speaker, sir, monetization has taken center stage. Most of these young people who are using these social media platforms, they're taking advantage of the fact that Malawi, we are part of a digital platform, a digital economy. Mr. Speaker, sir, it would be wise for us, as we are addressing unemployment and empowering young people, to find means and ways of engaging relevant agents, stakeholders, to ensure that we monetize Malawi and we monetize our creatives industry. We've got so many content creators. Again, if you Google, check online, on average, how much does a content creator make in Zambia? How much does a content creator make in Tanzania, our neighboring countries? You'd see, on average, a content creator, a comedian, they would make $2,000 through YouTube. The others would make $3,000. So if the creatives industry, if all our young people who are busy on social media, through these platforms, they are monetized and the content is monetized, we are achieving one or two things, if not three. One, forex generation. Two, these could be encouraged to even hold dollar accounts. If they hold dollar accounts, if they are traveling, they'll use their own dollars. If they are buying things online, they'll use their own dollars. It means we're also easing the burden of demanding forex on our commercial banks. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, monetizing the creatives industry in Malawi is very important in addressing business opportunities, employment opportunities for this generation. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to echo my fellow members. I support the SONA. As Blunt Soldiers in Wamba constituency, we are excited. We know the 5 billion guidelines will assist us in achieving the vision of the state president and constituency. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you very much, Blunt Soldiers in Wamba.